Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we make cat. I show you code step by step. You can take screenshot of it. First ear, then face, ear 2, neck, tail. I see. First you take circle step. Then you code on IC. This is my main block. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.